How you guys doing today? I have a 2018 Mazda CX-5 with a parking brake light blinking or flashing, and I have this code C112A, and it says there is an indicating issue with electric parking brake motor gear unit position. So let's check this. Even without code or scanner, I show you how to find your problem. Let me show you first. You can see it's still blinking. Parking brake light on, flashing. Okay, now I released it. I can hear that. I can hear the actuator is still running. It should only take like 2-3 seconds. It keeps running. So let's turn it on and see. Off. Okay. So now you want to make sure that your brake is on. Okay, let's raise this up. So first of all, you need to hear. You have two parking brake actuator in the back, one on each side. So you need to have one with you, or if you can turn it on and run quickly to the back and hear the actuator working in here or there. Make sure you hear the sound actuator working on both sides. So if both working, then you might have another problem. So now we see the brake is on. So this one is good. Let's go to the other side. Here is a problem. You can see this is still running, and I also heard the actuator working. So 100% the caliper is the problem. So the caliper is still like keep running non-stop. So I'm gonna raise this up and I'm gonna get this off and show you how it works. Stay tuned. Okay, here is the new caliper. I just want to show you an example how to check it. So this is a 8mm socket. So the actuator goes on here in turning this until it lock. This is locked, you see. So it should be. Let me lose it a little bit. So what the actuator do is just keep turning until it stopped. That's why you hear the actuator keep running and the light blinking, because this caliper is bad. So this one is good, running fine, no problem. So I got this off. There is two bolt over here, Allen 5mm Allen socket. So I got this off, and then let's try to do like the other caliper, turning clockwise until it is stopped. But like you see, this one never stopped. See, this means that the caliper itself is bad, like the mechanism inside here is broken. So I'm going to install the new one and put this back. There is no a line or anything, you just put it anyway, you know. This is not like you have to adjust it or anything, just to put it in anyway, it doesn't matter. So stay tuned. I'm going to replace the caliper, put everything back on, and check if the light still blinking or it's good. Okay guys, like you see now, after I replace the caliper, there's no more blinking light. Everything working fine now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.